Hi, my name is Vinny McKenzie with Anjon Manufacturing, and today I'd like to talk a little bit about Savio's WaterMaster Solid pumps. These are really great pumps. They're direct drive style pumps. They're going to be able to handle spherical solids, and they're also going to be able to handle suspended debris. The 1450, the 2050, and the 3600 can handle solids up to 1.25 inches, and the 5000 and 6500 can handle solids up to 1.5 inches in diameter. These are heavy-duty sealed ball-bearing pumps, and a special part about these pumps is they actually come with an innovative third lip around the bottom to protect the drive shaft and to protect the impeller and to really extend the pump life. All of these pumps contain no oil, meaning they will be fish and wildlife safe, and they also come with thermal overload protection, so if the water level starts to drop too low and the motor on the pump starts to overheat, it'll kick off before it causes any real damage to the pump. All of these pumps are also backed by Savio's 2-year warranty. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Anjon Manufacturing or your nearest Anjon or Savio distributor. Thank you.